So hi everyone, this is ADWOA, owner, creator of Miracle Growth Water. So it's probably going to look like this. You're going to say, okay, that doesn't look dark, but watch this, guys. Watch this. Look how the color changed once you shake it. Look at the difference. Look at the one that was shaken and the one that wasn't. You see? So they're all the same, guys. I get them out of the same bottle. See the difference now? The color's darker. So this is how it looks, guys, when it's sitting, when I make it. And I let it sit for about 5 days. This is where it's scooped out of, but watch this now. Look at this, the one that I've stirred up versus the one that's still sitting. You guys see the difference? So when you get your bottle, don't think that one may be more potent, because some of you order 2 and 3 bottles of 4. Don't think that one is more potent than the other, because it's definitely not like that. You have to shake it up. And keep in mind, guys, the only thing that makes it dark is cinnamon. So just keep that in mind. So see the difference? Sitting, shaken, and stirred. Sitting, shaken, and stirred. Same ingredients, same potency, same everything. So when I scoop it out to put it in the bottle, guys, they do come out of the same jar. I don't water down one or anything like that. So you definitely don't have to worry about that. Just use your product. Don't get too caught up in the color, because the color is not the main ingredient of what makes this product work. Remember, there's 15 ingredients in this Miracle Growth Water. So definitely keep that in mind. Now you have the new and improved bottles. You don't have to throw these out. You know, you don't have to throw it away after 7 days. You can use it. It's not going to go bad, and it's much better because I have more ingredients in it. So here we go, guys. Again, don't get caught up in the color. There you see it sitting. Does that mean it's less potent? No. There you see that one. Now I'm going to stir up this one that's been sitting so you guys can see what I'm talking about. See? Same thing. There you have it. That's the Miracle Growth Water. It is more than rice. So all of you just like, oh, is it just rice water? No. As you see, you barely even see rice. It does have rice in it, but rice is not the only ingredient, guys. Rice is not the only ingredient. So Miracle Growth Water works if you're having shedding, hair breakage, hair loss, damaged hair, thin hair. It's going to work for all of that. So you can order it by clicking the link in my bio. I do sell them by 1 bottle, or I sell it by 2 bottles, okay? Let me know in advance about your allergies, because if you're allergic to something that's in my all natural product, I won't sell it to you. The new and improved are way better than the dry rice that I was selling. Plus, it has more ingredients in it, so it's going to work faster for your hair. And you can keep them longer. All right, so thank you guys. Bye.